let's review what we did last week. Okay, we were working on finding the what? Slope. Hey, who remembers? What do we do for slope?
Triangles.
Well, yeah, you're not wrong. But what were they called? Rise over run. That's what I'm looking for. Alright, so again, rise over run.
We could like divide like.
So the rise is the up down and the run is the right. Okay, because remember, right is right, left is wrong. Okay? Yep. No, right is right, left is wrong. Shh. Listen, please. Shh. No. Sam, Liam, enough. You're being way too distracted right now. Alright, so let's see, for number 1 right there, did they give you little dots on the line?
Yeah, they did. Yeah.
Yes. Okay, so you should be drawing a triangle. Leah, put away. Leave it on your desk, please. It is very loud. Jeez. Alright, so we should be drawing a right triangle, right? Just like that. Alright. So let's see, when I say the rise part, which one is the rise part?
The one that goes up. The one on the right or down.
Okay, it's the up and down part, right? Okay, so this part is the rise, which means this part has to be the what? The run. Okay, so how far is our rise? How tall is that?
6. Oh, it's
4. And then our run is 2. And 4 over 2 is the same as 2. Wow. Alright, number 2, same thing. Did they give you 2 dots?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to draw a right triangle in between them. How do you get 4? You count, Liam. So count from this dot up 1, 2, 3, 4. And then to the right 2. Make more sense? Okay. Alright, we got another right triangle.
Did we learn this on Friday?
We did.
I wasn't here for
I know, that's why we're going over it. Alright, number 2. Again, which part is the rise part?
Wow.
The up and down part. Which part's the run part? The sideways, okay, to the right. Alright, now, question. Which direction do we have to go for our rise this time? Are we going up or are we going down? Down. Okay, so would that make our number a positive or a negative?
Negative.
Good. So it's a negative what?
5.
I got 2 people said negative 5. Do we agree?
Yes,
No, we don't agree.
I do.
Why? Okay, well look. Count the boxes. Don't count the points. Count the boxes. See? 5. Okay. Alright, so we get what? A negative 5, right? Over what? No. Run should always be a positive. Okay. So how far are we running? 4. Okay, now I'm going to show you a little trick to figure out if it's a positive or a negative. Okay, are you ready for this? It's going to blow your minds.
What?
I want you to draw a little human. Yep, draw a little human. Okay, if I draw a little human at the start of each line, and you're always going to start the farthest to the left. Okay, so like on number 1, my little dude, does he have to walk up the line or down the line? Number 1, he has to go up the line, right? So if he has to go up the line, that's positive. Number 2, is he walking up the line or down the line?
Down.
He's going to fall down it, and that means it's negative. Okay? So, using that logic, right? Which other problems in here should be a negative answer?
4.
Number 4, okay?
6.
Number 6, okay? Number 8, Let's take a look at number 8. Yeah, I agree with number 8. Number 7?
No, it goes up.
No, number 7 should be up. So again, if you're not sure, always draw a line, draw a little dude. He's gonna go up. Okay. Okay, you're walking upstairs. So if you have to walk upstairs, that's a positive. But if you're going down the stairs, it's a negative because you're going down. So down is negative,
So
essentially.
like, does it always start on this side of the?
Yes, always.
Number 7 has some steep stairs.
Agreed. Get what? The dude thing? Okay. So, again, if I draw a little dude, okay. Let's see, is he going down the stairs or is he going up the stairs? He's going down. So if he's going down, that means it's a negative because you have to go down it. Because I put him on the left side of the line. It's always the left side. Same here. I put him on the left side of it. I put him on the left side. See, left side, the left side. You always start in the left. And either you're gonna go up or you're gonna go down. Does that help? Yeah. Okay. All right. So, let's see. Is there any other ones? All right. I'm gonna give you about 5-10 minutes. Actually, I'm gonna give you about 5 minutes. Do as many of those on that side as you can. All right. Everybody take a look at the front side. The front side of your paper. For the front side of your paper, did they give you lines on the graphs?
No.
Oh no! Guess what you have to make? The lines on the graphs. Okay, but they did at least give you a hint, right? They gave you the ordered pairs. Do we remember how to graph ordered pairs?
No.
I'm not convinced.
I have a question.
I'm scared.
So would like the like thingies that you showed us yesterday were like these
Yeah.
like minus them?
Yeah.
So like, can I just like minus them and not draw the line?
You still the directions say graph a line, so you still have to graph it. Normal, just find the slope. Yeah, you can do that. But I need you to practice graphing.
I think I did it right this hour.
Can you teach me?
Yes.
Can I go to
All right. No, we already went. No.
I'll go to
All right, everybody take a look at number 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Liam, Sam, Taylor, Ben. Okay. All right, now to review graphing, just in case we were not aware, forgot, never taught it, whatever. Okay. Whenever you have an ordered pair, right? What letter is the first number? X. Okay. What letter is the second number? Y. Good. All right. Now, again, in case we were not aware or whatever the case may be, the X is your left to right. The Y is your up and down. Okay. So you're always going to go left or right first, and then you're going to go up or down. Okay. Now, again, in case we were not aware, in a graph. Okay. So here's your little graph right there. I'm going to show you all the fun things. Okay, the left and the bottom, those are your negative numbers. The top and the right are your positives. Okay, so again, everything over here is negative. Everything over here is positive. Okay, we'll see. All right, so for number 1, okay, question 1. I need to graph the point 1, 5. Okay, Declan, how do I graph 1, 5?
The 1, 5, the one is the one on the top right, so it's the.
So where do I start in the graph?
So you start on the top right square, and then it's the one across, not the one up.
So the top right square and the one across.
No, like the top right square, like the
Top right square.
No, like the top right. There's 4 different like big
So,
things.
here's how I want you to tell me this. Okay, this is for all of you. We should always be starting at 0, 0. Okay, now, Declan, how do I graph 1 on the x-axis.
The one on the x-axis.
Yep.
You go over 1,
Left or right?
right.
Okay. And then how do I graph 5 on the y-axis?
You go up 5.
There you go. That's what I'm looking for, okay?
That's
You should be telling me to start at the origin or start at 0. And then go left or right and then up or down. That's all I'm looking for, okay? Alright, so to graph 4 and -2. Again, I'm going to start at 0. Evan, how do I graph 4 and -2?
Go right 4
Okay,
and down
there you go. Okay, now from here, if you have a ruler, if you have your ID, if you have your binder, if you have your calculator, whatever, you need something to draw a straight line. Okay, if you lack all of the things, there are rulers and whatever on Miss Al's bookcase to the right.
Should we just like draw a line but it doesn't have to be straight?
It should be straight. That's why these are called linear, because it makes a line.
Am I looking go ahead? I know how to do it.
Alright, so from here, all you're going to do is you're going to do the slope thing like you were just doing. So I should see a right triangle. I should see a right triangle just like this. And then you're telling me the rise and the run. So the only extra thing we're adding here is I want you to graph them. Because Miss Howell's mean like that. Because I want you to practice. Alright, so what are we getting? What is our rise for this? Ariana.
7.
7? Okay. Let's see. Annie, what's our run? 3? Alright, the rest of you is this positive or negative? Negative. It should be a negative 7/3, which I believe is what? 2.1 or no, 2.3 repeating?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, so that's the only thing extra you're doing is I want you to graph them before we find the slope. Okay? Now, which ones look weird out of this paper? Michaela, that's not how you use a protractor. Thank you.
7.
Okay, so I'm gonna help you with those because I know those look weird. Okay, but you already know how to do this. You just don't know you know. Okay. So let's see. What letter is this? X. The x-intercept. Guess which axis it's on? The x or the y? That. Wow. You see, you guys are so smart. So it's on that guy. It's at what number? Where's +4? Like where?
On the other side. Over there. Like
Over
that.
here?
Right. Yeah, right.
Okay. You put a dot right there. Ta-da! That's an intercept. An intercept is a dot or a line that crosses through that axis. So if it's an x-intercept, it goes through the x-axis. Guess what happens if it's a y-intercept?
It goes to the Y.
Oh, wow! You guys are so smart. Okay. Alright, so I need 3. Where's 3? I start at 0 and go
You go up 3.
up 3. There you go. Alright, and then from there, you're just going to connect your dots and then find me the slope.
Does it have to be straight?
Yes.
Why does it have to be completely straight?
Because it's a linear relationship. Linear means a line. A
So,
straight
like,
line with a ruler.
If there's like a little bump in it,
It's wrong.
On our homework,
It's wrong.
So I have to use a ruler.
Or the side of your calculator, your ID, another sheet of paper, your binder. Something that has a straight edge.
Like, what if like I just like draw like a straight line with my pencil?
As long as it looks pretty good, I'm fine with it. But I mean,
Is that what you consider
Yeah, that's
straight?
fine.
Okay.
I'm just talking about it can't be nothing like this. Or like squiggles. I don't want that.
Miss Howell.
Alright, go to number 7. Number 7. I'm coming back to number 5 definitely. Okay? Number 7. I need a x-intercept at what? Where's that? I go to 0 and go where? Where is that?
Down 5.
No. That's y-intercept, Robbie.
Left 5.
Left 5. There you go. Alright, now I need the y-intercept at, what, -2? Where's that?
Now you go down 2.
Now I go down 2. There we go. Okay. Alright, now again, from there, you're going to connect those. You're going to make me a line. And find me the slope.
I don't like the way that you make the line go farther. Me neither.
You better get used to it. Because you're going to have to do that for problems in the future.
We're gonna have to make it longer?
Yeah.
What? So I can't just do this? I've been just doing that.
Okay, for today it's fine. But in the future, you're going to need to do it all the way across the graph.
Oh, I haven't been doing that.
Okay, so again, it's fine for today, but in the future, it needs to cover the whole graph.
Can I finish the back first?
Sure.
I had to pause it because I started from like the left.
You still had to count down though, right? You went down and then right?
Oh,
Yep. Am I right?
we have to do our
Because I love you.
No reason.
No, there's a reason.
Why do you celebrate Thanksgiving?
Because I love you.
It's not.
Yeah,
There's no giving. There's no thing.
That's fine.
It's just blank.
What if I tell you? What if I tell you only have to do one?
Oh, you want
Okay, one.
You only have to do one.
Okay.
Now I'm
And
thankful.
tomorrow's a work day.
Now I'm thankful.
So tomorrow I ain't giving you nothing new. Tomorrow's a
Now
work
I'm
day.
thankful.
So all of them but one.
You have to do one exact
I'm
opposite.
at my
You don't have to do two,
I'll
just
say
one.
thanks. I'll say I'm thankful for Miss Howell. Don't worry.
Wow. All right. There is one more trick question on this paper. Hey, Liam. Yeah. All right. Everybody take a look at number 5, please. This is your trick question. Okay. Number 5. Sam, tell me how to graph that first point, please.
So you start in the middle, then you go up 1.
No.
I mean, oh no, you go up 3. You go to the side. Oh no,
You go to the side 3 and then go up 1.
Thank you, Sam. Your voice changed. You should get that looked at. All right, so Sam, remember, you're gonna go right and then up. Okay. You always go left or right, and then you go up or down. Okay. So 3 and 1. Back line. What?
So for 5th grade, is it 0 like
You have to scroll before you can like
Yeah.
climb.
Yeah, I remember that.
Yeah, you
He
have
was a
to.
psychopath. He was scary.
No, we ain't talking about that. All right, next point. -4 and 1. Shh, Robbie.
Yep. Oh, okay.
Okay. Let's see. Kaylee, how do I graph -4 and 1 starting at 0?
You have to go 4 times to the left.
Okay. Not down 1.
No, you go up 1.
You go up 1.
Again, thank you, Kaylee. Your voice changed. You should get that looked at. Okay. Amari. Alright, so I want you to look at the line that we just drew, right? Can you draw a triangle from that?
No, that's 0.
No. Okay. Now, if you can't draw a triangle, that means you're either missing the rise or you're missing the run. Which one are we missing? The rise. So if I'm going to do rise over run, you said we're missing the rise, right? So the rise is 0. What's the run? How far across is your line from dot to dot? 7? What's 0 over 7? 0. Ta-da!
I was right. I did that without
Okay.
thinking.
All right, your job for the remaining like 15-ish minutes, you are finishing this paper front and back. You can do it by yourself. You can do it with a buddy. Okay, if you need help, you should be asking Miss Howell for help. If you're done, you can work on your one exact graph that you owe me for this week.
I only need 1